Today I'm creating a simple mini self-watering system for my braided plant using a natural jute wick. Small pots can dry out very quickly, especially in warm indoor spaces, and uneven watering can stress the roots. First, I soak the broad beans in water for 24 hours. This softens the outer shell and helps wake up the seeds, encouraging faster germination. Next, I place the soaked beans on a damp tissue and gently moisten it with water. Then I put the tissue inside a sealed plastic bag to keep the humidity in. I leave it in a warm place until the seeds sprout and small roots begin to appear. After they sprout, I take a clear plastic cup and carefully make a small hole in the bottom for drainage. Then I take a natural jute wick and insert it through the hole. Part of the wick stays inside the cup to reach the soil, while the other end hangs below to absorb water. Next, I fill the cup with an airy, loose potting mix. I gently plant the sprouted broad beans into the soil, making sure the roots are covered and supported. After that, I fill a small plastic container with clean water. This will act as the water reservoir. Then I place the cup into the small container, making sure the jute wick sits in the water. The wick slowly absorbs the water and delivers moisture up into the soil. And this is my simple self-watering system. It keeps the soil evenly moist, prevents overwatering, and supports healthy root growth. Simple, natural, and perfect for growing broad beans at home.